Welcome to Mega Kit. Today we are going to see MK-019 secret code lock. This is a versatile tool to prevent unknown person to open your safe or a cash box. By entering 4-digit secret code number, you can switch on or off any equipment or operate solenoid valve to open or close the door. Now let us see how it works. First we will give 12 volt DC supply to the circuit. Normally the lock is closed. You can see here. Now here are 10 push buttons for 0 to 9 numbers. We have selected the code 1470. Now let us enter the code 1470. Relay is on, lock is open. Now let us close the lock by resetting the lock. You can see here the lock is closed. Now let us see the circuit diagram. 0 to 9 is a keypad arrangement or a PCB mounted 10 NO push button switches used to enter the code number. Select at random any 4-digit code number, for example 1470. Connect the output of the respective push buttons to first, second, third and fourth terminal of the circuit. Now by pressing the first key, that is number 1, input to N3 will be high, so the output will be low to set the latch formed by N5 and N6. The output of the latch pin 4 will be high, so it will open the gate for next digital entry. The second push button, that is number 4, will set the latch formed by N7 and N8. If the first push button is not pressed, pressing the second push button will not set the latch. In that, by pressing the subsequent push buttons, that is 7 and 0 in sequence, the successive latch formed by N11, N12 and N9 and N10 will set. The output of the final latch pin 4 is connected to emitter follower circuit formed by T1, T2 BC547 NPN transistors to drive the relay. Hence, by entering the correct code number, you can switch on the relay. Using potential free contacts of the relay, you can open or close any electrical equipment or operate the solenoid valve to open or close the door or safe or cash box. All the 4 latches and thereby the circuit can be reset by pressing FW11 reset push button, which will give high signal to reset line to get back circuit and ready for next operation. Let us see the part list. Let us see the parts. PCB MK-019 component side. PCB MK-019 track side. quantity 1 number. IP1, IP2, IP3, PD4093 quad NAND gate, quantity 3 number with socket. T1, T2, BC547 NPN transistor, quantity 2 number. D1, 1N4007 rectifier diode, quantity 1 number. LED 1, 3 mm red LED, quantity 1 number. R1, R2, R3, R4, 10K CFR resistor, quantity 4 number. R5, R7, 1K CFR resistor, quantity 2 number. R6, 4K7 CFR resistor, quantity 1 number. FW1 to FW11 PCB mounted NO switches, quantity 11. RL1, 12 volt DC 1 changeover PCB mounted relay, quantity 1 number. Hi, I am Hemant Parab from the Mega Kit, your single point source for all your needs of electronic project kits. For the further details, please contact Dolphin Electronics, C2 second floor, Sri Ganesh Building, Gavane Vasti, Bhosri, Pune. My email ID is dolphinproxy@gmail.com. My WhatsApp number is 92255011142. Do like, share and subscribe my channel Mega Kit. Thank you.